I'm Aditi Agarwal, founder at so2high.com. Everybody knows the pros and cons of plastic, but a very few think of bringing a remedy to minimize the use of plastic. There is lot of awareness for the ill effects of plastic, but we need to have a substitute as well. When I started with So2High, environment, motivation, and encouragement was something I kept in mind, and today I'm here with two like minded people. We have with us two best of friends, Akshay Kumar and Krishna Prasad, who studied engineering together, did lot of research to make disposable plates from leaves, and have formed a company called Grenesta Global, which is focusing more on implementing eco-friendly products in day-to-day life, and also with the motive of creating awareness about biodegradable products. So let's hear it from them, their story from being an engineer to a lecturer and now manufacturers. A very warm welcome, Krishna and Akshay.
Thank you, thank you. Actually, thank you, Aditi, for giving us such a beautiful introduction about us. Actually, we are a team of two. We are
Yeah.
basically lectures, and during this COVID time, something miracle happened to our discussion or our conversation. When we were
Okay.
means we were doing conversation, we are mainly discussing about what can be the next or better option for tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, students, we always teach students. So many of the students ask us, sir, you are always telling about the plastic pollutant or pollution, different types of pollution and all.
Yes.
But even now, the situation is same. Why not
Mm-hmm.
till now the plastic has totally been eliminated from our society? uh,
Mm-hmm.
and some of the students were telling, sir, the even the cell phone pouch you are using, it is made up of plastic. Even the watch you are using, it is made up of plastic.
Yes.
So that was really a nice question from their side, because they want an answer or they want a solution. We have learned this much, and still we are learning many new things. But then also we are not at all taking any good remedy to save our beautiful planet.
Yes.
So when we and my friend he is my colleague. So when me and my friend Akshay had a conversation, we thought of, actually we were mechanical engineers. We completed our mechanical engineering. So then we thought that why can't we do something different so that it can give a better reach to the society. Only
Hmm.
youngsters, not only youngsters, but also all other people get motivated with something like that.
Yes.
Then we thought, let's manufacture something
Hmm.
eco-friendly, anything that can give a proper positive impact to the society. Then we discussed, even we took almost 5 to 6 months. Our discussion was going on.
Hmm.
Then we started discussing about, see, something we can do, such as the, let's start from the lower level. We thought of first eliminating the disposable plates and bowls and all, which are made up
Hmm.
of plastics.
Hmm.
So we started researching, and we found that there are few options such as paper. Paper is the
Yes.
option. We can introduce paper plate, paper bowls, and all. But
Hmm.
during our research, we found that this paper is having because we are using recycled paper and all. So there may
Okay.
be some lead content. There may be a chances of leakage.
Hmm.
So in order to overcome the leakage and all, we need to implement a plastic layer coating. So again, we are violating
Again.
the rule of nature.
Yeah.
So there is no, yeah, again, we are violating the same rule of nature. So what is the use of implementing such a system? Then we started again researching, and with the help of internet and with the help of our relatives, we had lot of discussion. Finally, we came to know that why can't we implement something with leaf and all. So
Hmm.
in Kerala, as I said, in Kerala we have mainly agriculture dependent peoples are many in Kerala, and we have lots of banana and coconut leaves and plants and all. So we thought, why can't we implement something with banana leaf or with coconut tree leaf and all. But again, when the leaves which we are taking from the plant get dried, it is having almost 2 to 3 days life. After that, it is getting useless, or it is getting
Yes.
decayed
Yes.
to the earth. Yeah, it's
Hmm.
a good recycle process, but we cannot make it something useful to the society because it is getting decayed very in a very fast rate. So we then again were searching for a better solution. Then we found Sayali and Palash plates
Okay.
or Sayali or Palash leaves and all. These
Those
leaves
leaves
are
are big?
actually have, yeah,
Okay.
and these leaves are having really good medicinal value, and they are antibacterial,
Oh.
antifungal, and yeah, and they can have a good lifespan of if you are preserving and storing in a proper way, they
Mm-hmm.
can be used for almost 1 year without getting any damage or any fungal infection.
Oh.
Yeah, and that was really means very interesting to us because we never thought we will get such a solution to implement and
Yeah.
make something to the society.
Yeah.
Then we started yeah, developing and manufacturing the Sayali and Palash. Both the leaves value, they are used from years,
Mm-hmm.
mainly in the pilgrimages for serving the prasadam and all. They are being used even now also, they are being used in the northern side and all. I think in
Yes.
northern side there is one famous one food is there, pani puri,
Yes.
and in that pani puri I think, yeah, they are using the leaf plates for
Yes.
Plates.
serving the food and all.
Yes.
Yeah,
Earlier they
so
used to use more, but when this plastic ones came, they started using that because there was no leakage in it. So now
yeah,
once
No,
definitely.
again
it's
they
more
have to switch
economical
to
also.
leaves.
No, plastic is more economical also. They are
Yes.
selling them for 1 or 2 rupees. So basically, it is a lack of awareness in our state. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
when we are trying to sell our product, not sell, we are trying to canvas our product. They are saying, why does we take the product from you? Because we are getting for 2 rupees or 1.5 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, leaf plates are the leaves has to be collected, they has to be stitched together, then there's a process. So actually it makes for the tribal people and for the tribal women, we have to give them salary and we have to give them earning. So we
Okay.
can't sell it for 1 or 2 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
But actually it is lack of awareness in not only in our state, in all over India.
No, if everybody starts using
And
and
also,
wanting to use these kinds of plates, then the supply will automatically increase.
Yeah, actually they are not aware
yeah,
of an alternative of plastic.
Yes.
Even during this corona time, government is also saying because of lack of alternative, we can go with plastic or paper.
Oh.
That's when me and Krishna got said, oh wow, this is unbelievable. Government is also supporting this kind of
Movement.
products.
Yes.
No, yeah. And after a marriage, when we are traveling through a road, we can see dumping of plastic and paper. I mean, a month or so, it is lying there without
Mm-hmm.
decaying. And
Mm.
then stray dogs and all comes and make a this. That's the main problem.
Yes. And sometimes they
Lack of
eat
awareness. So
also.
yeah, they eat also, especially the cows. They
Yes.
eat and they suffer a lot.
actually, because of our mistakes, the aquatic animals and the other land animals are suffering a lot because
Mm.
they don't know it's plastic. They, in
Mm.
their mind, there is something. It is. They, when they look
Edible.
at it, they find, yeah, it's edible. So let's have it. So we
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
create awareness in animals or in aquatic animals and all.
Mm.
We can create awareness in people. So
Mm.
mainly now we are focusing to create awareness program in various colleges and schools and all about the importance of eco-friendly products, and also to promote them in a better way, so that there is one famous saying by Albert Einstein,
Mm-hmm.
that is, try not to become a man of success, but rather become a man of we we don't want success and all. We want to value not only us, all the person who are involved in making such eco-friendly products.
Yes.
Yeah, we are open to all.
This thought of yours is so selfless, and it is just for the nature, and you're not thinking about business and profit. That is a wonderful thought which you both
Actually,
have.
we are not only restricting ourselves in leaf plates, we are adding our products day by day. That
Okay.
what are the alternatives people can use and use economically.
Mm-hmm.
We have come up with Areca palm products and Bagasse product. Have you heard of
Okay.
Bagasse product?
No,
Sugar
no,
cane
no.
pulp.
No.
The sugar cane pulp which is dumped, we can use recycle it into plate, bowls, parcel boxes and all. We are
Okay.
implementing it in recent days.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yeah, and we are actually going to another sectors like bags, jute and cotton bags, and paper pen, pencils and all. We were
Okay.
discussing about a week ago, and now we are ready to launch these products.
Oh, that's amazing. So you have a workshop in one place where you are making all of these products?
We have a small workshop, a domestic workshop.
Okay.
We can supply through our district and maybe 2 or 3 districts, but not for because of about the recession and all.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. So if people needs in bulk quantity, we can we can get help from others
Yeah.
who having the same visionary as me and him, Krishna.
So when you are researching these products, then what are the challenges that you face? Like there must be some product which you think will work, and then if you research, you find it not to be working, then what do you do?
Yeah, that's a nice question. Many have asked us the same question. Actually, see, we both are having family. We
Yes.
both need money for means our existence. But the
Yeah.
thing is, more than that, we are lecturers, so we will be getting income by by the means of by certain teaching or taking
Mm-hmm.
tutorial class by online and offline also. So we started finding time for classes from means morning and night to night
Okay.
and all. In between day, we started researching different things. And the main
Mm-hmm.
challenges what we faced was in the case of leaf plates and all, the raw material is not available in Kerala,
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the
and
main
that's the
problem.
main challenge. Yeah, yeah, that's the main formula. It is mainly found in Odisha, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and many other states and all. But we at present, at this moment, we don't have any access to any such states due to this
Mm-hmm.
COVID and all. So we started contacting by the phone numbers, and then we found many of the tribal people who were collecting these leaves from the
Okay.
deep forest. Sadly,
Mm-hmm.
because it is really a big challenge for them.
So from where are
They
you
from the
procuring
morning.
your leaves and other raw materials?
Actually, it is coming from Odisha and Telangana. In
Okay.
Telangana, there is a major client is helping us. It's called a Vistaragu company. They are mainly focusing on implementing such products and all. So
Okay.
they given us a chance to. They helped us to implement such product with the help of the raw material. They were the main person who were supplying us the
Hmm.
raw materials available. With the help of that, we started researching and doing, and we found that these leaves are really awesome. They can be used in a better way. But the only thing is, it when we manufacture by taking the raw materials from a different state, and after all the production process, it
Hmm.
is a little bit expensive compared
Expensive.
to the
Yes.
plastic. Yeah, compared to the plastic plates now available in the society.
Mm-hmm.
But as you suggested or as you said, when the demand comes up, slowly the price will decrease,
Hmm.
and it will become almost similar to the same price of what we are having, what we call the plastic disposal plates and all.
Hmm.
So things, uh,
Actually,
more people have to come up.
actually, we promoted this product in digital media like social networking site, and the people abroad are okay with it. The prices are okay, and they are very open minded. They want
Yes.
our product.
Yes.
Yeah.
They can buy little
they
expensive
they
also,
just
but
hate plastic products.
yeah, yeah. They want
They are
eco-friendly products which are expensive also. They are fine with it because their main focus is to be with nature and not to use plastic. They are determined not to use plastic.
Yes.
We were amazed to know the product that were used as eco-friendly. There are toothbrushes, there are soaps, there are many products that we are not heard about. All eco-friendly products. And they are asking about our product and can they distribute their product in India and all.
Okay.
Actually, we are not going into that business field right now. So we are actually looking to improve our state and our country right now.
No, that's one thing we should do first. First and foremost, we should serve our country and then we should think ahead.
And they are
Yeah,
getting the raw
definitely.
materials from India. That's the biggest comedy, I think. They are getting 40,000, 50,000 leaves from India and they are making place in Germany and Philippines and all.
Okay.
And here people are not aware of it.
No, definitely
Actually,
awareness is
when
required.
yeah, actually when we publish such our products in the online platform, we found that more than our local or more than the people from India, we are getting bulk orders and even good response from the persons from other countries.
Okay.
So that itself shows there is having a lot and much demand about such products.
Yes.
If it comes to the notice of the government can promote it. And even the villagers and tribal people get benefited by it. It will become a huge impact to the society.
So
one of the person from Poland, he was taking that Bagasse product from China, but he don't want any product from China. So he is not worried about the price. He wanted the product from India.
Oh.
That's how they are responding to us. That was the biggest motivation for me and him. Rather than our people, the other people are more supportive.
Yes, it happens like that only with everybody. And motivation is one thing which keeps you moving.
Actually, we were discouraged in our when we started. It will not have any orders. It will fade away. It will be leakage. Many, but we thought actually we does not thought about business. That's why we come this far.
Yes, I think this you are doing it out of your passion rather than what you have studied.
We have actually have nothing to lose.
Yes. So what are your future plans?
Actually our Greener Star Global as a team, we want to work more on the creating social awareness. So we are waiting for the schools and colleges to be opened as soon as possible. If everything goes well, we can have a awareness program in different stages, so that we can create better youngsters who can create better ideas and share their ideas to the society about the eco-friendly products and all. Because if this goes on, if the plastic is consuming by the society like this, there will be a time in future when the plastic will become the main ingredient of our grandchildren's recipe, isn't it?
Yes, because
so we have
full of plastic.
Everywhere. Just you go, if you go everywhere, anywhere, you will definitely find there will be plastic. And now the deforestation has been everywhere, means it is tremendously increasing. The deforestation rate has been increasing because people want homes, so they are usually cutting the forest and trees and all for creating a land, and for means they want happiness at present. They are not thinking about the future and all. So this has to be changed. So only thing what we can do is, as a teachers, as a lectures, we can mold our children. We can mold our students for our better tomorrow. So that's what our future plan is all about. And we are also planning to give opportunities to other youngsters or other people who wish to be in this business. If they want to implement anything eco-friendly, we can help them. We can do whatever is their requirement. We can provide the materials. We can provide them
any sector. If the demand is eco-friendly, we can help them.
Like you are planning for franchisee?
Yeah, no.
You want to give franchisee of your company? How will it work?
No, it's not actually about franchisee and all.
Okay.
If a person is willing to start a eco-friendly store, we will
Yeah.
provide them materials. We will provide them products.
Okay.
Okay, we will provide them all the products with what all discount we can. Let him earn something from that.
Okay, that's
And if someone wish to implement a manufacturing plant, we will provide what all thing or what all ideas we have, what all step we did for making this come to this land. So we will provide what all necessary things available to us for that particular person.
okay. That's really very good of you
We can
to think
actually
of.
help him with the process and all, the raw materials, the processes, the machines and all. We can provide all the details.
Okay.
We need a better tomorrow. That's why we are doing all this.
Yes.
And actually, we are trying to collaborate with government campaigns also.
Okay.
That will be more helpful for others.
Okay. So it was very nice talking and knowing about your future plans and about how you started. Like Greenesta Global, I'm sure it will have its own mark on India and in the world. And the the way you are thinking and the way you're working on it, definitely, I think you'll achieve a lot and you'll help the Mother Earth also with it. So thank you, Akshay and Krishna, for being with me in So Too High.
It's a
Yeah,
great
we also
initiative from you. Photo High is, I think it's brilliant. I have watched your videos. You're promoting such people. You're doing a great job.
Yeah, thank you so much for your words, Akshay.
Yeah, I have sent your YouTube channel to subscribe and all to my friends.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
we will definitely promote your channel. We will definitely
Yeah.
promote
People like you need to come
the
forward.
work. Yeah, you are actually there are only few persons like you who are promoting such people.
Yeah,
So
and I'm
we are
looking
really
for
lucky to have you here.
no. Thank you for these words, and I'm looking for people who are actually doing a lot, but they have not created, um, their name in a bigger scale. So I want to talk to them and know about their journey, and I just want to put forward their story so that they are also encouraged to work better, and others also get some idea and motivation to work on their passion. Yeah, thank you
You're
once
so
again,
too high.
Krishna and Akshay. Yeah,
Okay,
thank you,
okay, okay.
Akshay.
Thank you.
Yeah.